Hi there, in this video I will guide you step by step how you can delete a post on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Now you will be able to see all the posts on your account. Here I have a demo account opened in front of you. Now select the post you want to delete. I will select this one. Now at the top right corner of this post you can see 3 dots. Tap on that. Now you have multiple options for the post here. If you want to delete this post temporarily, you can tap on archive and you can unarchive it whenever you want. But to delete this post permanently, you have to tap on the delete option. Let's do that. Now Instagram wants to confirm if I really want to delete this post. So I have to tap on the delete option. The post is being deleted. It can sometimes take a moment. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe my channel until then. Now here, the post has been permanently deleted from Instagram. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video.